Using Tranquileyes XL Advanced is easy and comes with everything you need for up to 20 minutes of controlled moist heat, as well as cold compressing. Start by ensuring your eyelids are properly cleansed with one of our available tea tree eyelid and facial cleansers. Remove the foam pads from each eye cup and test fit your goggle by placing it over your eyes and strap around your head. Only make adjustments to the strap while the goggle is off your face. Not too loose and not too tight, so that it fits comfortably. For moist heat therapy, moisten the white fabric pockets in drinking or bottled water. Activate 2 Instance gel packs by clicking the metal disc inside, generating heat. Then place the gel packs into the moistened white fabric pockets. Place a moistened pocket with activated gel pack into each eye cup. Place the Tranquileyes XL goggle over your closed eyelids and wear for up to 20 minutes. After your treatment, remove the white fabric pockets and harden gel packs. To wash the white fabric pockets, use a mild soap and warm water after each use. Rinse well, squeezing the extra moisture out, and air dry in the included mesh bag. Once all of your Instance gel packs have been used and have hardened, reset them back into a liquid state by placing them in a boiling pot of water. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the gel packs are completely submerged. Once liquefied, remove the Instance gel packs with a spoon and place on a towel to cool. Additionally, Tranquileyes XL Advanced can be used as a 15-minute cold compress. Moisten the white fabric pockets in drinking or bottled water. Place 2 bead packs into the moistened white fabric pockets and into the eye cups of the goggle. Then place into a resealable plastic bag. Put the bag into a freezer for at least 20 minutes. Remove from freezer and place the Tranquileyes XL goggle over your closed eyelids. Wear up to 15 minutes.